The FDA, as you know, spent the past 2 years reorganizing and restructuring the human foods program. And I think that was following the agency's lackluster, I think, formula response in, what was it, 2022? What are the main changes that the FDA has made? How are they going to strengthen the agency's ability to regulate our food supply? And the other question that I'd like to ask is, there has been support in Congress for some time, and now a bill has been introduced to separate food out of the FDA and have a freestanding agency. What's your position on that?
Thanks for the question, Ranking Member Eshoo. So there are a number of changes that are captured in this reorganization. One of the most important one is the creation of a single decision maker for foods-related activities. That's the Deputy Commissioner for Human Foods. I happen to hold that position right now. Right. In the organization we're changing, there were multiple leaders with very similar roles and responsibilities, which created a lot of the challenges that the foods program had historically. The other major part of
that's changed now.
on October because I was appointed about a year ago. I am the sole decision maker within the foods program, and have been since I started last September. The other major changes largely involve consolidating functions that were very similar, not the least of which were what we refer to as signals: a whistleblower, a consumer complaint, adverse effects reporting. How we pick up signals from what's happening in the foods supply.
Well, not only picking them up, but there has to be action taken.
Well, so that part of what we struggled with in the infant formula scenario was that a whistleblower complaint came in and it was not attended to. We are now consolidating
It was
these
not
functions.
only attended to, though, Mr. Jones. It was an outfit that was my understanding, a rather serial violator. So, it's... Anyway, I just wanted to...
We're consolidating functions now that we're in different parts of the organization to increase the likelihood of our ability to be coordinated and effective and responsive. We're also moving the interface with the state programs from the inspectorate into the program, because the interface with states is fundamentally a programmatic activity. It's not an inspection-related activity. So there are a number of areas where we're consolidating activities within the organization to increase our efficiency, our effectiveness, all operating under one individual leader, so there is not confusion as to sort of where decision-making authority lies.
Well, I have 16 seconds left. I'm not a big fan of the U.S. Senate, but one thing they do that I do like is that members have 10 minutes to question, and we don't. So, Dr. King, you'll receive my questions in writing, and thank you. Thank you to both of you for the work that you're doing. It's so, so important.